Ron Kelly. I appreciate you all so much. You made buying my Rolex online easy. I was actually probably the most apprehensive about it actually fitting my wrist when I received it. Here it is. But when it came in, it fit perfect. So that was great, but that's from their years of experience and their expertise. I would do it again. I've actually bought a couple pair of earrings from them for myself and my daughter since then. But the very first thing that I purchased from them was my Rolex, and that was really the reason of our connection. And it was just a great experience. They helped me pick out what I thought was my favorite over probably 2, maybe 3 days at most, and then securely shipped it to me, and it's been a wonderful piece for me.